Welcome guys, another video, another property tour here in Del Mar. And you know what, yes, Del Mar is a little pricey, but in today's video I'm going to show you this home right here, and it has a really nice view. So with that being said, let me show you what the street looks like, and then I'm going to show you the home. So you come to the house through that street, and these homes, I mean, just look at them, look how nice they are. They are probably in the 4 to 5 million range. They're very nice. There's no HOA and there's no Mello Roos in this neighborhood. This is the beautiful home we're going to be touring today. And as you can see, nobody's really going to come to this area unless they live here, because I mean there's no exit. So all of these homes on the street have a view, and I'm going to show it to you. And this one, I mean, Del Mar, this home is 3-bed, 2.5 bath. This is the address. Of course, I'm gonna put the link to the property in here too. So they put the grass, the fake grass, which is turf, in the entrance, which is really nice. Very clean entrance coming into the home. You got a few trees. It's a 3-bed, 2.5 bath, just under 2,000 square feet. This is your first room, which is not included in all the bedrooms, so you could potentially even like create this as like a 4th bedroom. This chair right here, I heard this company is really good for chairs, so she put some money into the cabinets here, which is also very nice. These doors, and then I'm gonna show you guys the living area first. You got a TV here. Look at the views. Here's the kitchen. Again, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. Beautiful view. You can see all of Carmel Valley from here. Very calm. Let's see what's down there. So you got a place to rest, which is pretty nice. And there's no lifeguard on duty, guys. So be careful when you're swimming here. You can come down, and then going down there you can see all the rest of the property lot, which is not really usable, but you could potentially do something about it if you really wanted to. This is your kitchen, which again has beautiful views to the outside. You have a 2-car garage in here. Also, your washer and dryer is here too, so it's not going to be noisy inside the house. The kitchen, very white, bright appliances, stainless steel appliances. These are not cheap, so I can tell you that they put some money into the home. The fridge is right here too. And you got the first bathroom over there. This is your just eating area right next to the kitchen. Pretty cool table. Let's go upstairs now. You know what? I'm gonna show you the master first. So this is the master. You got the makeup section, which I'm gonna show it to you. Right afterwards, I'm gonna show you the view. So of course, you get to sit down, do your makeup here. So, I mean, you could just kind of like vision it. Right here, you have a better vision of the view. So you can see the mountains all the way there. So nice, huh? And you're pretty close to Torrey Pines too, so if you want to go to the beach, I mean, it's literally driving very close by. Walk-in closet. And again, this house was built in 1973. So you have to really appreciate all the upgrades that they have done to the property. Because a lot of homes, especially in this neighborhood, they're not as nice. So you can tell they put some money into it. And it's listed for 2.75 million. Just under 3 million, which I think it's a pretty good price. Here is your shared shower and bathroom. I really like this color sink. Goes pretty smooth. And look at that. That is a feature of the 70s. So you get more sunlight. And of course, this is upgraded. I like the colors that they're using throughout the whole house. You got the private gym over here, which is a bedroom, but I think she was using it for her exercise. So you could imagine yourself, you know, doing yoga here. What do you guys think so far? We got one more bedroom. You got more cabinets for space. This bedroom is pretty nice. Look at this. Has only 3 bedrooms, but the first room that we saw that counts as an office, you could even potentially like make it larger. So like open it up and the living area will be much larger, or you can make it another bedroom. So if you need the 4th bedroom, you could convert that that area into another bedroom if you really wanted to. So that was it. That was the property tour here in beautiful Del Mar. It's a little bit cloudy, but one thing I really like about this neighborhood is, yes, it's a little close to the road. Like the road is like right there, but you have privacy. It's really quiet here. I mean, there's no cars driving around, and there wouldn't be any unless you live here. So if you are interested in buying, selling, investing into real estate here in sunny San Diego, well, it's not sunny today, but sunny San Diego, feel free to reach out to me. I'm gonna leave all my information in the description of this video. My information, you can contact me at any time. I'm here to help you with your real estate move. And until next video or next week, до свидания.